Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin agreed to hold the next round of Russia-Ukraine negotiations in Turkey's Istanbul. The two leaders reached such an agreement in a phone conversation on Sunday. During the conversation, Erdogan told Putin that a ceasefire and peace between Russia and Ukraine must be achieved as soon as possible, and the humanitarian situation in the region should be improved. He also said Turkey would continue to contribute in every possible way during this process. Earlier, members of delegations of both Ukraine and Russia also confirmed that the next round of peace talks would take place this week. Meanwhile, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said on Sunday that his country stands ready for an all-for-all prisoner exchange with Russia before the end of hostilities. On Thursday, Ukrainian Deputy Prime Minister Irina Vereshchuk said that Ukraine and Russia conducted the first prisoner swap since the start of the conflict.